series. According to first unit test syllabus, next chapter we have chapter 8, triangles and their congruency. Now first of all you should know about the different types of triangles. Already you know a triangle is a closed figure made with 3 line segments. Now we have 6 types of triangle according to side 3 and according to angle 3. Is it? What are the, already you know this from class 5 onwards, you are reading it. According to sides, there are 3 types of triangle, which is, first is scalene triangle. What does it mean? It means all the 3 sides are different. A triangle made with 3 different sides are known as scalene triangle. Now, if 3 sides are different, 3 angles also would be different. Next we have a triangle with 3 different length of side. This is scalene. Second is isosceles triangle, in which any 2 sides are equal. Now in a scalene, if all 3 sides are different, 3 angles are also different. And isosceles 2 sides are equal, so base angles are equal. Is already given in your book. Very nicely they have explained. They have given you the name of triangle, conditions and example. With the figure they have explained. You can see the page number 116. And third we have equilateral triangle. What does it mean? A triangle with 3 equal sides. Is it? So in this type of triangle, all the angles are also equal. All the 3 angles are equal. Now, according to side, there are 3 types of triangles. Scalene triangle, which all the 3 sides are different in length. Isosceles triangle, in which there are 2 sides which are equal length. And third is equilateral, a triangle with all the 3 equal sides. And now according to angle, there are 3 types of triangle. What are they? Acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle and right angle triangle. According to angles, first is acute, then obtuse, then right angle triangle. You can see it is given acute angle triangle, a triangle which has all the 3 angles less than 90 degree, or an acute angle. Obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle of triangle is more than 90 and other 2 angles are less than 90. And right angle triangle is acute angle triangle, all the 3 angles are less than 90 degree. Second we have obtuse angle triangle, in which any one angle is more than, only one angle can be more than 90 degree or obtuse angle, other 2 would be less than 90. And when it is a right angle triangle, again any one angle will be 90 degree. Any one angle is 90 degree. Because sum of any type of triangle, it is sum of all the 3 angles of triangle is 180 degree, never increases, never exceeds with 180, never decrease with 180. Now already this is the revision. Already you know there are 6 types of triangle and what are they. Now you should know certain relation between the sides and angles of triangle. But the first relation is, if the side of a triangle are different length, then its angles are also in different measures. In such a way, the greater size has greater angle opposite to it. This relation between sides and angles. The first is, just example I am giving you. Now I have a triangle ABC in which this is 9 centimeter, this is 7 centimeter and this is 4 centimeter. So this side is the greater side. So this angle would be the greatest angle. This is the greatest side. Greater side it is. Side. So this opposite to this angle would be greatest angle. Now second is 7 centimeter. Second. So this angle will be second greatest. This is second greatest side. So always keep it in mind, a triangle where we have a greater side, the angle opposite to it will be greater angle. AC is opposite, the side AC opposite is angle B. The side BC opposite is angle A. So the first relation says greatest side has greatest angle opposite to it. Second relation is vice versa. That is with the greatest angle has greatest side opposite to it. This is 80 degree, this is 60 degree and this is 60 degree and this is 40 degree. Which angle is greatest? A, B, C. 80 degree is the greatest angle, so this side will be greatest side. This is greatest angle, so this side will be greatest side. So this is vice versa, first relation and second relation. Third relation is, if any two sides of triangle are equal, then the angles opposite to them are also equal. Conversely, if any two angles of triangle are equal, the side opposite to them are equal. Now see, this is relation number 3. This side and this side is equal, P, Q, R. Now